Hi guys, this is Devraj. Today I'm going to show you the new Logitech G213 Gaming Keyboard, which is a mechanical keyboard which provides best response while gaming and typing. And welcome to my channel, Take It Away. Let me show you the box overview of the keyboard. And on the top of the box, G231 Project Key branding is there along with a picture of the keyboard itself. On the side, the same branding is there and the specification or system requirements is mentioned along with the inbox content, and also comes with 2 years warranty and the keyboard is spill proof. Let's check the back of the box, and there it is mentioned that response speed is about 2 milliseconds and comes with a 16.8 million customizable RGB color light. The price mentioned here is 4,995, but I bought it for rupees 2,500 from Amazon India, and I will leave the link in the description below. And let us quickly unbox the keyboard, and we get the keyboard wrapped with a airtight polythene and some paperwork are included here, as you can see here. Now let me quickly unwrap the polythene cover and show you the keyboard itself, and please follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Insta so that we can keep socially talk with you people. So here is the keyboard with black in color, and it has got a good build quality with a big palm base resting, and on the back there are two stands which gives 3-degree tilt to the keyboard, and the back gives a good texture finish, and it looks great. And also the keyboard comes with a braided cable, so it's not gonna get broken or wear off anytime soon. So let me just connect it to my laptop, and see, boom, the backlight on the keyboard close up. The RGB colors are changing quite peaceful and gives a damn premium looking gaming keyboard. Let me just show you the how it looks in dark, and let me just switch off my light of the room, and here you can see the Logitech logo, the glowing Logitech logo. The look at the colors, the private light from the keyboard. But one thing to mention here is that the light intensity is optimized so beautifully that it is not gonna hurt your eyes in the dark as well. So here is the overview how it looks in the dark. So as you can see on the screen here. So now let me give you some physical overview of the keyboard. It has got the light on off switch, gaming mode switch where you can preset and assign your desired functions to keys. Physical light is also present to show caps on off, scroll lock, num lock and so on, as you can see on the screen here. And it also gets the caps lock on off switch, the light there, and it also got the multimedia keyboard, multimedia keys where you can change the track, change your volume and so on, etc. I have installed the Logitech apps from the Logitech website, and I will show you different settings you can change in the G Hub app from the Logitech that is being installed from the website, where some presets color options are given. You can change the response time of the color changing frequency, the flow of the colors, and the animation alignment, etc. You can also assign the functions to the keys for gaming from this app as well. Just look at the screen and you can see the change in color patterns when I'm changing it on the applications. And you can see on the left hand side of the app that some tabs are given, that is a gaming mode, uh, light on off, and also the light settings, uh, from where you can change and preset whatever you say your keyboard, which gives a unique feeling that you can use a single color which you like the most, or you can use the multiple colors or the flow pattern, whatever you want. Here you can see you can assign the keys, some hotkeys. You can also assign from here. So this app gives you a easy way to customize your keyboard and the easy user interface to change your setting. Now let me show you how much easy and fast it is for typing as well. As I mentioned earlier that it is a mechanical keyboard. The feedback from the keys are buttery smooth and such and much more reliable, as you can see here as I am typing very fast and typing just a random words whatever I'm writing. It's not doesn't make any sense, but you can see here how much response the keyboard is given from here. I have been using the HP Omen series gaming mouse X9000, which looks great and have matte finish and a good grip to hold the mouse. And you can change the DPI from the mouse ranging from 200 to 1200 and have extra assignable keys on the side. The mouse provides a great accuracy and perfect for gaming like PUBG and etc. And also get a good build quality as well. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that we can meet with you in my upcoming videos. Have a good day guys. See you on my next video.